Hello and welcome back. Today in this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be trying out two new things. I'm going to be trying out the Tarte Shape Tape matte foundation. It was on sale at Ulta, so I'm like, if I'm ever going to try it, it's going to be when it's on sale. Normally retails for $39.99. I got it for it in $19.99, so that's what it looks like. It's super cute. I tried the hydrating one. Woo-wee. That's the front. Not good. Like, it just went like smeared all over my face. So took that back, got the matte. I felt bad kind of taking back used makeup, but whatever. And then I'm also going to be trying out the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I know these have already been out for the longest time, but you know, when you get a gift card for doing a good job at work, you buy stuff. So anyway, I'm going to be playing with those. Oh, by the way, I have wet hair from my shower, but whatever. Also today, I'm going to be trying out something new. I'm going to be trying out a voiceover. So basically, I'm just going to be doing my makeup like I normally would. I'll try to show the products to the camera. We'll see how well that goes because I'm also going to be watching The Dark Crystal. I know, nerding out, but I did hear that there was going to be a second one coming out, so why not be nostalgic? Watch the first one, get caught back up. I mean, it's been forever. As a kid, I used to watch this and The Labyrinth. Labyrinth I was good with. The Dark Crystal always scared the shit out of me. Like, I would have nightmares about those crow things. Anyway, as you can tell, I already have my brows on, because who wants to see me do that again? If you do, let me know, but it's just easier. I'm also going to be trying out this Milani Prep and Brighten Rose. I've used it a little bit, but actually, I don't know if I want to try it with the foundation. Anyway, let's get into it. Hopefully the voiceover thing works. Otherwise, you will not be seeing this video. So anyway, let's get started. I'm starting off with the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Oil. I did find that this does not work very well under foundation. At least it didn't with the Tarte Shape Tape Matte or hydrating. It contributed to my makeup sliding around. It really broke up throughout the day where when I got home I had to do a major touch-up. And we don't like that for foundations. So at this point in the video, I'm just really working that oil into my skin. It did feel good though. My face has been pretty dry lately, I think with the colder weather and whatnot. Now I'm just kind of letting it dry a little bit. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape, the matte foundation. The color I'm wearing is Fair Sand. I do feel like it matched my neck fairly well, but it just looks so pale. The foundation brush I used to work that into the skin was the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. I'm now using, which you guys saw, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette to brighten and contour. I really do like this. It's in the color Dulce de Leche. Definitely recommend. I think it's around $4. You can't beat that price. Now I'm contouring my nose a little bit just to kind of thin that out. That brush is from a set I got at Target. I don't think they carry it anymore. Now I'm using the MAC blush. I want to say it's, okay, Well Dressed is the color. I'm not sure if they still make this one. I got it when I was like 17. Anyway, now I'm taking a big fluffy brush just to kind of tone down that blush a little bit. Now I'm taking the Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And you can see I'm using the color Spectra. I did like this color. I wanted more of a pop. So here in a minute you'll see me dip my brush into the palette again, but this time in the color Luna. Yeah, you can kind of tell right there. I'm like, not as poppin' as I wanted. So yeah, here's where I get the Luna. which this particular palette I got at TJ Maxx for $19.99. See, digging that. Quite the steal. Which, when I left, there was still some left, so maybe go check it out. Now I'm taking the LA Girl concealer to prep my eyes. Help the color kind of stick and last longer. Now I'm taking my new Morphe brush I just got. It is the M535. I'm going to use it to pick up some color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's the color Framed. And man, did this have a lot of pigment. At first I was like, whoa. Like, how am I going to blend this out? It's going to take me forever, which you will see it does take me quite a while, but I guess that's part of the makeup game. Blend, blend, blend. It just never ends. I really do like this palette. I definitely want to pick up another one. I did a look the other day with the color Lolly and was obsessed with that look that day. Now I'm taking my Real Techniques brush. It says Deluxe Crease Brush. I'm using it to put color Rush. That's the color I dipped into that has that orange tint. I thought this looked really cute together. But see, blend, blend, blend. Now I'm taking the Naked 2 palette and I'm using it to take from the Huda Beauty palette. And that color is my friend. I love that color. It works really good on the eyelid and the brow bone. And I don't know why I pulled this palette because it doesn't have names on it, but the palette is the Mauve Obsessions. I love these little palettes. Definitely gonna need to get some more. But I'm packing that all on the lid there, kind of to brighten my eyes. Now I'm putting it on my brow bone. Digging the brows. And I didn't realize that the camera couldn't see me do this part, but I'm just taking from that Jaclyn Hill palette the color Rush and putting it at the inside of my eye, you know, underneath. And then here in a minute, you'll see I'm going to take the Framed, see right there, and put it on the outer corner. I thought that was a cool touch, if I do say so myself. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And I don't know if I'm like anybody else, but mascara, why does it take so dang long? I also used the Ulta Beauty Limitless mascara. Just keep layering and layering and layering. I think it helps too that I like to pull the eyelashes, you know, kind of separate them because I don't want a big chunky look. Now we're going in for the lippies. I had a hard time choosing between the Morphe and the Anastasia, but obviously I picked the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that is in the color Crush. I like how those two look together. Totally digging this look, you can tell. And now I'm going to go in with the NYX Matte Setting Spray. Let that kind of dry. Okay, so it's a little bit later. I had gone to my mom's to wrap some presents, but this is the finished look. It'll look kind of like a pinky, or more like purpley with some orange. And I don't really wear false lashes, not my cup of tea, Mine are fairly long, and I can't master them that well. And yeah. That looks really good. Thanks for watching.